Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for today I'm going to be showing you how to make this grappling car. So first, what you need to do is get this block and just put 5 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then next, you just have to fill it in. And we put block here, and then put an anchor here. We put an anchor here, and then we should put a suspension right here. So next, what you need to do is get a motor and then put it up here, and then you need an anchor block. And then next, we get the half block, and then get the half wedge down, like this. Wait, we have to get the wedge, and then this time we get the half wedge down, like that. And then we get the half block, and put 2 of them, and then get the half wedge. And then next, we get the motor too. Like this. And then next, we get the half wedge. And then the half wedge down. And then we get the half block. And then we get the half wedge down, and then the half block, and then the half wedge, and then we get the half wedge too, and then you already completed the hook. And then next we can get the propellers, and then we put one here, one here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and then here. And we get the wheels. And then next we put the main pilot seat here. And then what we have to do next is make this 0, and then make this mouse button 1. Then set the speed to 10, and then make it a servo. and then make the max angle 150. And then for our propellers, we just have to make it Q, S, and then reverse thrust. We have E, and then on and off on mode. And then we have Q, just switch all of these here to Q. And then next, for our suspension, set this to 0, this to 0, and this one to 10. And then for our motor, make it Y, T, and then we make it F and R. So you just have to leave this, and then I think you're done. I forgot. You also have to do the anchor blocks. So for this one, we set this Z, X, and G. What is this doing here? I don't know. But anyways, next, to make the hook open, you just have to press the mouse button, left click, and then you can move it with F and R, T and Y. So let's see. I guess I won't be grabbing the fish. Anyways, so next, we also have the propellers. Okay, so here I place a bar, so if I just connect my hook. So when you use your grappling hook, you first want to press C, and then the mouse button, and then just use F and R. And then when you're already on the target, you just release the mouse button. And then there. You can also press G, but this is what happens when you press G. You just stick up. It only goes in one direction. Then you can also press X to do this. So you won't be able to use C and X. R and F. I'm pressing R and F right now, but they're not working, as you can see. So that's it. And I hope you have a great day, and see you next time.